Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A Sahara beige MB Tex interior with a satin brown poplar wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats. Steering wheel controls. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push-start ignition. Convenience package with garage door openers, auto dimming mirrors, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, our turn wheel for infotainment center. This GLA has 13,128 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.